Picture yourself waking up to the sound of birds, the crisp morning air surrounding you, and the freedom to go wherever the road takes you. This is the promise of the 2026 GiottiVan T400 camper, a compact yet powerful travel solution that redefines mobility for solo adventurers and minimalists alike. Whether you're exploring city streets, rugged trails, or coastal highways, the T400 offers a perfect blend of efficiency, comfort, and sustainability. Let's dive into what makes this camper one of the most exciting innovations in personal travel. Narrator. From the moment you set eyes on the GiottiVan T400, you know this is not just any camper. Designed with aerodynamics in mind, the sleek, lightweight frame ensures maximum efficiency while maintaining a modern and stylish look. The compact three-wheel design allows for superior stability, making it easy to maneuver through various terrains, from winding city roads to gravel paths in the wilderness. The T400 is built using high-quality, durable materials that keep it lightweight yet strong. Every inch of its design is optimized for endurance, ensuring that it stands up to the demands of long-distance travel. The streamlined body isn't just about aesthetics, it helps reduce drag, increasing efficiency and range. Transition to a side view, showcasing. Despite its small footprint, the T400 is designed to be a fully functional home on wheels. Step inside, and you'll find a smartly arranged interior that maximizes every inch of space. The sleeping area transforms into a comfortable bed, allowing you to rest after a long day of exploration. The mattress is designed for optimal support, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready for the day's adventures. Narrator. The multi-purpose design of the sleeping area means you can transform it into a cozy seating space during the day, making it the perfect place to relax, read a book, or enjoy a meal with a view. Every feature inside this camper has been meticulously designed to make your journey as comfortable as possible. For those who love cooking on the road, the T400 includes a well-thought-out kitchenette. A portable stove, mini refrigerator, and fold-out counter space give you everything you need to prepare meals, whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or cooking a hearty dinner under the stars. The built-in water storage system provides clean water for cooking and cleaning, making it easy to maintain a comfortable lifestyle while off the grid. Storage is another area where the T400 excels. Every nook and cranny has been designed with practicality in mind. Hidden compartments allow you to store gear, clothing, food supplies, and travel essentials without cluttering the living space. With innovative solutions like under-seat storage and overhead compartments, you'll never have to worry about running out of space. One of the best things about the T400 is its ability to extend your living space beyond the tricycle itself. With an optional awning attachment, you can create an outdoor seating area, perfect for enjoying your surroundings. Whether you're parked at a scenic overlook or camping by the beach, the extra space gives you a comfortable outdoor retreat. The GiottiVan T400 is designed with sustainability in mind. Equipped with high-efficiency solar panels, it harnesses the power of the sun to charge its internal battery system. This means you can power your essential devices, lights, and even small appliances without relying on external electricity sources. It's the perfect solution for off-grid living and eco-conscious travelers. Managing your energy and comfort settings is a breeze with the intuitive control panel. From here, you can monitor battery levels, adjust the LED lighting, and even control ventilation for a comfortable living environment. Everything is designed to be easy to use, allowing you to focus on your journey rather than worrying about technical details. One of the biggest advantages of the T400 is its versatility. Unlike larger RVs and traditional camper vans, this tricycle is compact enough to navigate busy city streets while still offering the freedom to explore remote locations. It's the perfect travel companion whether you're commuting to work, taking a weekend getaway, or embarking on a long-term adventure. Safety is a top priority, and the T400 comes equipped with features that ensure peace of mind on the road. A reinforced frame provides durability, while powerful LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility in all conditions. The advanced braking system offers precise control, making it easy to navigate even the trickiest terrains. Parking is often a challenge for traditional RV owners, but with the T400, it's a breeze. Its compact size means you can fit into standard parking spaces, making it ideal for city dwellers who need a convenient and efficient way to travel without sacrificing comfort. But beyond its features and technology, the T400 is about connection. The unique design sparks curiosity, leading to interactions with fellow travelers, locals, and adventure seekers. Whether you're sharing stories around a campfire or discovering hidden gems off the beaten path, this tricycle camper fosters a sense of community. At its core, the GiottiVan T400 is about freedom. The freedom to explore at your own pace, the freedom to live simply yet comfortably, and the freedom to go wherever your heart desires. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time nomad, this camper tricycle is your ticket to a life of adventure. So, are you ready to experience the road like never before? The 2026 Triple T400 camper is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Get out there, explore, and make every journey unforgettable.